Blue screen of death caused by CrowdStrike update on Windows 10 or 11? In this video, we'll fix CrowdStrike errors fast. Let's get started. Click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Now click on Command Prompt. All the commands used here are added in the video description for you. In Command Prompt, type C: and press Enter. Type CD Windows and press Enter. Type CD System 32 and press Enter. Type CD Drivers and press Enter. Now type CD CrowdStrike and press Enter. If you don't have this issue, it may show the system cannot find the path specified, which means the folder doesn't exist on your PC. If the folder exists, type del and press Enter. Then type the full file name, C-00002 91-000000-00003 1.sys and press Enter to delete it. Now type exit and press Enter. Finally, click on Continue to go back to Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.